guys, today we are making fresh pasta. For making that, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix all the ingredients. Add little bit of water, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now dump out your dough onto a work surface and start kneading. Knead by stretch and fold method until a smooth dough forms. Transfer that dough ball into a clean bowl and cover it with a damp cloth and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now chop some veggies, in which I am adding chilies, chop some onions, chop some green capsicum, boil some corns and blanch a tomato. Now in a saucepan add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of butter for the extra flavor. Toss in the chilies, and the minced garlic for this intense flavor. Add in the chopped onions and toss a little bit. Add in the chopped green bell peppers. Chop that blanched tomato and add into it. Add half a cup of tomato puree. You can use fresh or the packaged one. Add some chili flakes, around half a tablespoon, and that boiled corn. Add half a tablespoon of oregano or mixed herbs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to stable the consistency of the sauce. Now it's time to dump out the dough on a work surface to make noodles. Here I am making fettuccine shape. For that, roll the dough ball into a thin sheet by this method, which I am showing you right now. Stretch the dough with the help of a rolling pin. Stretch a little bit by hands and by rolling pin. When it turns into a thin sheet, trim off the edges and fold the sheet in by 2. And now cut the noodle shape by not pinching the dough, by slightly cutting it. Unfold the noodles and dust some flour. Now in a pot, boil some water and add the fresh pasta. Boil the pasta for around 10 seconds and dump that pasta into the sauce and mix well. Now it's time to plate the pasta. I am plating this pasta into a pasta dish. On top of that, I am adding some basil leaves and sliced red chilies. You can add a little bit of cheese into it. Now your pasta plate is ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.